Keep an eye out for Funko Pop Coach Vigue and Cardboard Coach Vigue at Barnes&Noble.
Got 5 life-changing morning yoga stretches. A little breezy here this morning, so maybe, just maybe, I'll keep my talking to a minimum, but you don't want to miss these, especially the last one. All right, click that like button and let's begin. Holding these for a little bit longer. Gonna do a child's pose to puppy pose stretch to really youthen your back. Let's bring it to child's pose. Stretch it back, lots of breathing. And as you get more comfortable, slide the hands forward more into that puppy pose position to stretch your back so beautifully. So here's child's, and then you feel free to come forward. Relax the chest, relax the shoulders, lots of breath. There we go. Let your tailbone lift up, armpits down to the mat. My new shirt, but you can't see it from here in the front. Just hold on. Stretch your abdominals. Oh, feel the spine decompressing. All right, my friends, that is the puppy pose. Check out this shirt. See what's on it? All right, moving into the splits. Let's switch the cap for that by the power of the splits. Right foot forward. We got a low lunge position. We're going to rock it forward and back. Got grass on me. That's a must for Coach Vigue filming. Forward and back and forth. Massaging and opening up the hip flexor, the hamstrings, the glutes, everything else. Day. Oh man, which an open body, a fluid body, a pliable body, flexible, mobile, ready for anything. One of my mantras, ready to adapt to any situation, no matter who you are, how old you are, what your fitness level is. And all that. There we go, back and forth. You can also slide this foot forward, just making sure I'm not sliding into a patch of poison ivy. And we have splits. If you want to go further, we got this right here. Hands are down. I'm going to rock side to side. I haven't split in a couple weeks, seriously, so here we are. But it all comes back. Oh yeah, every day. Every day, do these stretches with me, with Coach Vigue, anywhere, any place. Feel the years just dissolve off your body. Younger, feeling younger all the time. I think before I said add years to your body. I'm like, no, take it off. All right, you can pause and hold this longer or switch to the other side. Woo, come out of it. There we are. Other foot comes down. Beautiful day in Tennessee, up on top of the world right here. Breathing, stretching, making everything better with every second, right? At your own speed, always. find where you are. This side's definitely a little tighter, but we got the hands down. We're gonna rock side to side. It's gonna loosen up. My groin, my psoas, everything's going to get attention right where it needs to be. There's no theory here at Sean Vigue Fitness. It's all experience. It's doing it right here, right now, in real time. Real time is kind of a newer expression. You have to say that, like, no, we're going to do it together. Follow along. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. A couple more breaths right here. All right, come on out. Onto your back. We got number 3 here. Big yoga stretch, knees to chest, with the option to do the plow. So we bring the knees in right here. Head could be up or down, rocking side to side. Breathe into your lower back. Release your lower back. Classic, powerful stretch. You want to move further? We have the plow. If you have any neck issues or high blood pressure, things like that, leave it out or just don't do it in general. That's up to you. Bring the legs up and over. I haven't plowed in a bit, so this is going to be a little tight, but I was looking forward to that. I want to do it with you. We can struggle together. We can breathe together. Hands are on the lower back. Keep your eyes up to the sky. Feet can come all the way down. I'm going to do a little paddling here, a little walking, little He-Man walking. Ooh, stretch out those legs. We got some tightness. That's good. You can also lace the fingers, drop the arms down. Yeah, I feel it in the calves. That's wonderful. These are... These poses are a microscope to where everything is tight in your body. What's happening, good and bad, whatever. It'll tell you right away where you need to work to smooth it all out. 5 more breaths. That's good. I'm working my way. I'm making my way down and plow. That is good. Oh, man. Coach Vigue, need more plow. You can massage your back here with your hands. All right, either one. Let's bring it down. Ooh. Come on up, shake it out. Where are we? We're still here. We got 2 more. We're going to go into the up dog. Cobra or up dog. Stretch the back, strengthen the arms, the shoulders, the triceps. A great counter stretch to what we just did. So we have Cobra here, shoulders back, elbows in. Or you can lift all the way up, keeping the knees down, or squeeze the thighs and lift your knees off the mat. Open your chest, drop your shoulders down. Feel that strength and energy in the back. Oh, right here, relax the jaw, squeeze the glutes to take pressure off your back. Hold for a number of breaths. Strengthening even the bones as you press into the ground. It's isometric, building density and destiny in your bones. An up dog a day just might keep the chiropractor away. Three more breaths. Keep dropping those shoulders back and down, opening the chest. Oh yeah, you get into a whole new level there. Good morning. All right, big one. Number 5, shake it out. The down dog with a slide option. Pretty much what we did from the child's pose to the puppy. Oh, the wind. So downward facing dog. You can hold this pose, but leave yourself some room for your hands to go forward. All right. At your own discretion, slide those hands forward. Stretch out your dog. Your whole back is a bendy straw. How much room do I have? It's like a runway. Running my hands over uneven territory. Long stretch into the grass. Don't bite me. Working those heels down. There we go. 5 more breaths. Stretch it out. Should have switched my cap, shouldn't I? Shoulders relaxed. Oh, the whole posterior chain of the body. Stretch. There it is, my friends. Oh, good morning. How you feel? Feeling good? Shake it out. Don't forget, click that like button. Get this beautiful stretch out to everybody. Subscribe button, hit the like button. It's also the thumbs up, and click that notification bell to never miss one of Coach Vigue's workouts. Have the best day ever, my friends. Shake it out. I hope the new He-Man shirt was effective. Thank you, 80stees.com. Now, my friends, it's time to check out this. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked. Oh, yes. Addie breakdancing. Come on, let's go down in the meadow. Here we go.